Hello, friends. Good morning. Welcome to my channel. If you have not yet subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. Okay, so that you will get the notification of every new video I'm posting. So let us start with today's session. So today we are going to solve a numerical which is based on the curve fitting technique least square approximation first order system. Okay. So the numerical is like this. In some determination of value V of carbon dioxide dissolved in a given volume of water at different temperatures, the following pairs of values were obtained. So what is given to us? Theta is given to us, temperature, and at that corresponding value of temperature, what is the amount or what is the volume that a carbon dioxide has been dissolved in a given volume of water. So this is a volume of water in which carbon dioxide is dissolved, and this is the temperature. So at zero temperature, 1.80 is the volume of water in which carbon dioxide is dissolved. At 5 it is 1.45, at 10 it is 1.18, and at 15 it is 1. Okay, what we have to obtain? We have to obtain by a method of least square a relation in the form of v equal to ab theta. So it is nothing but the equation of a straight line, which is y equal to mx plus c. Okay, so y means v here, it is mx plus c. So a is the constant, mx. Okay, so theta is the x here. Okay, theta is x here, and y equal to, so your volume v equal to y. Okay, so it is mx plus c. So it is the same form that we want to take up, which is a straight line equation. Okay, now let us see how to solve. We will form a table with a theta iteration number first column. Let us come to the table. Okay, so we have to form a table like this. I is the iteration number. This is x, which is theta I. Okay, it is given to us in a problem statement. Vi, which is a y, which is given to us, x square. So theta I square. So we have to make a square of x. So 0 ka square 0, 5 ka 25, 100 ka square 100. Sorry, 10 ka square 100, and 15 square is 225. So you can easily calculate x square. We also want x y. So it is theta I vi. So you know theta I, you know vi. So you can take the product of x and y and you can have this term. So 0 into 1.8 is 0, 5 into 1.45 is 7.25, and so on. 15 ones are 15. So this is how we have formed this. Now take the summation of every column. So this summation is nothing but summation 1 to 4, because you are adding the terms from 1 to 4. 4 data points we are adding together. So it is summation I 1 to 4 theta I is equal to 15 plus 10, 25 plus 5, 30. So it is 30. Similarly, you have to take the summation of Vi 1 to 4. So you have to add up these 4 terms. This is summation theta I square 1 to 4. So you can add up these 4 terms. And summation 1 to 4 xy means theta I vi. So you can add the 4 terms. Okay. I hope it is clear till this point. Let us see now how we will map the equations. In our last session, we have seen these two standard equations, y in the form of a and b, and here xy in the form of a and b. So same equations we are going to apply here. Only the thing is that here your x is theta and y is v. Only you have to replace these values, and we have the equations. Same equations I am writing, only n I am writing as 4. So it is 1 to 4 vi equal to 4a plus b 1 to 4 theta I. And summation 1 to 4 theta I vi, so it was xy in the standard equation, equal to a summation 1 to n xi, so here theta I, plus b summation 1 to n is 4, xi square, theta I square, means it is xi square in the standard form. Okay. Now what you have to do is, it is summation of vi, summation of vi. So this is your summation of vi. So I will write in place of this as 5.43. Here it is 5.43 equal to 4a as it is, plus theta I summation. So this is your theta I summation, which is 30. 30, b is as it is. Okay. Similarly, the next equation, summation theta I vi, this is theta I vi, summation is 34.05. So 34.05 is equal to A is as it is, summation theta I. Summation theta I is 30. So it is 30A plus summation theta I square. Summation theta I square is 350. So it is 350B. So you have two equations in the form of A and B. You can easily calculate the value of A and B as a simultaneous equation solving method, which is available on CalC, scientific calculator. So you can calculate the values of A and B. Okay, and then you can represent it in a straight line form like V equal to AB theta. So V equal to A is 1.758 plus B theta. So it is minus 0.534 theta. So this is the equation of a straight line, and hence we have fitted the curve in the form of a straight line. I hope you have understood. If not, you can comment. Surely I'll answer if you have any doubt. Please mention it in a comment section. Thank you.